Hello everyone, let's take a look at the key developments in the Indian solar industry from March 2025. Number 1. India added a record 3.2 gigawatt of rooftop solar capacity. This marks an 88% increase compared to previous year. The residential sector accounted 74% of total installations. Meanwhile, the industrial, commercial and government segments contributed 19%, 6% and 0.8% installations respectively. Among states, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Kerala were front runners in the rooftop solar adoption. Number 2. MNRE has announced that Blue Wafer solar cells would no longer qualify as DCR. Earlier, MNRE mandated that only India-made solar cells could be used for module manufacturing. Now, Ministry has specified that only black wafer or undiffused silicon wafer-based PV cells will be recognized as domestically produced. This means that imported blue wafers, which are mainly sourced from China, are no longer eligible for use under DCR policy. Additionally, all stages of solar cell production must be completed entirely within India. Number 3. Maharashtra approves procurement 7,000 plus megawatt for solar power for agriculture. Under the Mukhyamantri Saur Krishi Vahini Yojana 2.0, MSCDCL, the state solar distribution company, will procure 7 gigawatt of solar power, will be ranging from tariffs 2 to 3 rupees per unit. The goal is to provide daytime electricity to the farmers through decentralized solar projects while reducing power costs for the state utility. With this approval, Maharashtra's total solar procurement will now reach to 16 gigawatts. In other news, Tripura plans to install 5,000 solar plants by 2025. To boost rooftop solar adoption, the government has announced subsidies of 33,000 for 1 kilowatt systems, 66,000 for 2 kilowatt systems, 85,800 for 3 kilowatt systems. IIM Nagpur inaugurates a 2 megawatt solar park. The solar project at its Mihan Sense campus is expected to significantly lower carbon emission and operational costs. With this initiative, the Premier B School aims to become a zero-emission campus within the next 6 months. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow us for more such videos.